DRDO dictation at the speed of 80 words per minute. Dictation start within 5 seconds. Start. DRDO has emerged as one of the premier scientific and technological organizations in the country and has played a major role behind the development of the state of the art platforms, sensors, and weapon system. At the core of its technological strength is its expertise in system design, system integration, and testing and evaluation built over the last 5 decades. Due to our effort, India is today one of only 5 countries in the world who to have a multi-level strategic defense capability and its own ballistic missile defense program, one of only 6 countries of the world to have developed a nuclear powder submarine, one of only few select country to have developed its own main battle tank, fourth generation combat aircraft, electronic warfare, and multi range radar program. DRDO mission essentially covers the following broad activities: design, develop, and lead to production of state of the art sensors, weapon system, platforms, and allied equipment for our defense services, provide technologically solution to the service to optimize combat effectiveness and to promote well-being of the troops, develop infrastructure and committed quality manpower and build strong ingenious technology base staff. DRDO was traditionally headed by Director General DG DRDO, who additionally holds the post of Secretary Department of Defense R&D and Scientific Advisor to Raksha Mantri. However, in June 2015, DRDO was placed under Secretary DDR&D, who is also the administrative head as DG DRDO, a separate post of SA2RM was created to offer independent advice. Stop. DRDO labs are ground into 7 technology clusters, namely armament and combat engineering system, aeronautical system, missile and strategic system, naval systems, and material electronics and communication system, microelectronic devices, and computational system, and life science. Each of these cluster function under cluster DGs. The 7 DG officers are located at Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Vishakhapatnam, and Delhi, and the labs under each cluster DG, which had minor realignment of a few lab in 2015, is given in table number 8.1. DRDO has also their Human Resources Institution, I example Center for Personal Talent Management, Institute of Technology Management, and Requirement and Assessment Center. During the year, Military Institute of Technology was transferred from DRDO to HQ IDS. There are also 3 certification agencies under DRDO fold. I example Center for Military Airworthiness and Certification for Airworthiness Products, Center for Fire Explosive and environment safety for fire and explosive and scientific analyst group for guarding of information security product. These certification agency provide service not just for DRDO but other organization of government of India as well. Additionally, regional center for military airworthiness under the purview of CAMELIC are located at different stations all over the country for resource broad function under DRDO founding to provide thrust to basic research in academia in the area of strategic importance. Stop in additional Department of Defense R&D has one autonomous body with automatical development agency, one joint virtue with BrahMos Aerospace and one deemed university with Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. Stop.